Hi everyone, I have choosing of the problem surds and exponential from Olympiad Math. Problem is determine the value of x from expression square root of 8 is equal to 2 raised to the power square root of 4 minus x. Now on solving, given that square root of 8 is equal to 2 raised to the power square root of 4 minus x, and let's solve for x. Now solving this again, 8, this square root b can write like 8 to the power 1 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power 4 square root of 4 minus x. Now this 8 b can write like 2 to the 2 cube whole raised to the power 1 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power square root of 4 minus x. If we have a to the power b whole to the power c is equal to a to the power b into c, by using this rule at this sides, 2 to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power square root of 4 minus x. If we have a to the power b is equal to a to the power c, which gives the condition a not is equal to 0, comma plus minus 1. Base and base same and equal, then equating power b is equal to c. By using this manner at both the sides, base and base same equal, base and base equal, then base and base same and equal, then equating power 3 by 2 is equal to square root of 4 minus x. Now squaring at both the sides, 3 by 2 whole square and square root of 4 minus of whole square, squaring at both the sides. 3 square over 2 square is equal to this square and this square root will be cancelled, remains 4 minus x. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4 is equal to 4 minus x. 9 by 4, 4 bring to left side, minus 4 here is plus, convert it into sign, minus is equal to minus x. Now multiply by 4 and divided by 4 here. 9 by 4 minus 4 4 is 16 over 4 is equal to minus x. Now let's take as a LCM, denominator and denominator same, then choosing a denominator single 4 and subtracting numerator, adding the numerator 9 minus 16 is equal to minus x. 9 minus 16 remains minus 7 over 4 is equal to minus x. This minus and this minus will be cancelled. X is equal to 7 by 4. Be getting the value of x, 7 by 4. Now check this value is correct or not. The value of x, putting main equation to check. Main equation is square root of 8 is equal to 2 to the power square root of 4 minus x. 2 raised to the power square root of 4 minus x. The value of x, 7 by 4, putting here. The value of x is equal to 7 by 4, putting here. Square root of 8 is equal to 2 to the power square root of 4 minus 7 by 4. Square root of 8 is equal to 2 to the power square root of, same as 9 by 4, 4 4 just 16 minus 7 over 4. Let's take as a LCM. There is nothing in this upon, then which has 1 value. Let's take LCM as a 1 and 4 is 4 will be 4, and 4 4 is 16 minus 7. Square root of 8 is equal to 2 to the power 16 minus 7 3, 16 minus 7 9 by 4. Square root of 8 is equals to 2 to the power square root of 9, releasing the value after root 3, and 4 is 2. Square root of 8 is equals to 2 to the power, we can write like this manner, 2 cube whole raised to the power 1 by 2. Square root of 8 is equals to 2 cube 8, and this 1 by 2 power square of root. Left and right side equal, then x is equals to 7 by 4 is the correct answer of that question. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.